Hi everyone, hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. In this rainy season, we all want some snacks which is crispy, crunchy and from inside soft and yummy. So today I am going to make two types of monsoon snacks or evening snacks. And if you like my recipes, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Also comment below. So let's start the preparation. For the first one, in a small bowl, take 2 tablespoons of suji or rava. Then add 5 to 6 tablespoons of hot water. I have given all the measurements in the description box. Mix it well and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Then in a bowl, take boiled and mashed potatoes, onion, green chilli, coriander leaves and salt as per taste, and the suji or rava which I already soaked in hot water. Now mix it well. Do not make it hard, it will be semi-soft, not so soft or not so hard. Now take some breadcrumbs. Here I am using brown breadcrumbs. You can use normal breadcrumbs. Now oil your hand. Take a small amount of stuff and dip in the breadcrumbs. Keep it in a plate. Follow the same process and make more. Now I will fry this. For that, heat a pan and add oil. Slow down the heat and add those pakoda. Add one by one. Now fry until the color turns into nice and brown. Keep the flame medium. It will take 5 to 6 minutes. Now take it out in a kitchen towel or you can use any paper. Then follow the same process and fry the rest of the pakoras. And now the soft, crunchy, crispy and yummy snacks is ready. You can see from inside how soft it is and outside it's very crunchy and delicious. Definitely try this at home. It's very yummy. Now I'm going to make easy potato cutlets with less oil. For that, first I will roast some cumin seeds. Roast it until the color changes into brown. Do not make powder, just crush it. Now in a bowl, take boiled potato, onion, green chilli, tomato, carrot, coriander leaves, crushed roasted cumin seeds which we made earlier, chili flakes, chaat masala, gram flour or besan, rice flour, salt as per taste, red chili powder. Now mix it well. Now oil your hands and take a small amount of stuff and make it like a tikki. First roll it like a roti dough and then press it in between your palms. Follow the same process and make the rest of the cutlets. Now heat a pan and brush some oil. Add the cutlets and shallow fry it on medium-high flame. Brush some oil on the top before flipping the cutlets. Now flip it after 2 to 3 minutes. Now fry it until the color turns into nice and brown from both the sides. Now it's fried from both the sides, as you can see. Now take it out in a kitchen towel or you can use a paper. Now follow the same process and fry the rest of the cutlets. Now the cutlets are ready to serve. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.